Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Future Apex, execution of future methods, advantage and disadvantage. Future Apex is a method used to run processes in the future asynchronously. This is particularly useful for executing long-running operations such as making callouts to external web services, which needs to be performed outside of the standard Salesforce governor limits. Future Apex is a valuable tool in Salesforce for handling asynchronous processing, especially for operations like web service callouts that need to be performed outside of the standard transaction limits. Its ability to manage resource-intensive operations and improve performance makes it an essential feature for Salesforce developers. If we want to invoke web services from future method, then define @future callout equals to true. Execution of future methods. Demo future f equals to new demo feature f dot invoke system dot debug passing f, it's for displaying the information. Status of the future method. Write a SOQL query on async apex job. Future method cannot be called from another future method. Future will not return ID of the job when we invoke it. Advantages of future apex. Asynchronous processing allows operations to run asynchronously, freeing up the current transition to complete without waiting for long-running process. Handling callouts facilitates performing callouts to external services from within Salesforce, especially useful when these callouts need to be done outside of the transaction context. Resource management helps manage resource-intensive operations by deferring their execution to a later time, thus improving the overall performance and responsiveness of the application. Simplicity, easier to implement compared to more complex asynchronous processing methods like batch apex or kubel apex. Governor limit management runs in a separate context with its own governor limits, reducing the risk of hitting limits in the current transition. Disadvantages of future apex. Limited to static methods. Future methods must be static and cannot return values, which can limit their flexibility and reusability. Order of execution. There is no guarantee on the order of execution for future methods, which can be problematic if the order of operations is crucial. No chaining. Future methods cannot call other future methods, limiting the ability to chain asynchronous operations. Debugging challenges. Debugging future methods can be difficult due to their asynchronous nature, making it harder to trace issues and log outputs. Resource contention. Running multiple future methods simultaneously or during peak hours can lead to resource contention and delays in execution. Example, let's discuss a scenario where future apex is used. Company integrates with an external service to verify customer addresses. The verification process involves making a callout to an external API, which can take several seconds to complete. Since callouts cannot be performed synchronously within the context of a DML operation, so implementing the future apex to make the web service callout asynchronously, ensuring that the DML operation is not held up. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, setup, developer console, right click, open link in new tab, click on file, new, apex class, future demo, click OK. So public class future demo @ future callout equals to true, public static void verify address, string account ID, fetch the account record, account ACC equals to select ID, billing street, billing city, billing state, billing postal code, billing country from account where ID equals to :account ID. Prepare the API callout pseudocode http request equals to new http request dot set endpoint. So we are passing the URL request dot set method post request dot set header content type application JSON request dot set body JSON serialize ACC this value. Make the callout http equals to new http response res equals to http dot send request req. This one. Process the response if response dot get status code equals to 200 update account with verification result map of string object response body equals to map string object JSON deserialized untyped response dot get body. Then ACC dot address verified boolean response body dot get is verified update ACC else handle callout error system dot debug error in callout response dot get status. So here we need to create the variable address verified underscore underscore c. This is custom one. Click debug, open execute anonymous window. So future demo f equals to new future demo f dot invoke. So execute this. Thank you.